Hello guys, welcome to CyberCrest YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video we are going to solve a CTF, that is capture the flag, and here we will use the platform TryHickMe. So guys, let's move on to the computer screen and solve this exciting CTF. So guys, now we are on our computer screen, so let's join this room and start the attack box. Like guys, in TryHickMe we can use both. Either we can use the attack box or we can use the open VPN, and we can use our real Kali machine. So here I have used the attack box. So let's scroll down and start the machine. This will be our victim machine or target machine. So yes, here we will get the target machine IP address, and this is our TryHickMe attack box. Yeah, it will take some time to start, so let's wait for it. Yeah, now it's connecting. So our attack box started, and here are some users instruction. So we will press enter to close this down. Yeah, that's all right. Yeah, this is closed. So now we can go for our terminal. So here we will start our terminal. So like we will do all the functions on our terminal. So here we can see this is our IP, attack box IP, and this is our target IP. So we'll copy it down, and here now we will start the nmap scan. So let's put nmap and -sc, then -scv, and here we will paste down our target IP address, and we will start the nmap scan. So here we are looking for some open ports, and let's wait, let's see what we are getting. And guys, here we got two open ports, that is 22 TCP open, and the service is SSH, and another one is 80 TCP open, that is HTTP, and this is Apache server. So guys, this is the 80 TCP open, so we can use our Firefox or our web browser to look for this. So here we will go for Firefox, and yeah, it's loading. Yeah, this will take some time, so let's wait. Yeah, it started. So we'll open one new tab, and this one will be closed, and here we will paste the IP address, that is the target IP, and let's wait. Yeah, here we got one website, so that is help Moti, listen Moti. Yeah, we got something. So when we get some website, so we try to look for the page source, because in the page source we find various information that will be helpful in the near future. So let's go to the page source, and we will, yeah, here this is the HTML code, and yeah, here we got a username in the comment section. Yeah, we will copy it down. We'll select the username, and yes, we will copy. Yeah, wait, this yeah, let's copy and minimize this thing. So here, yes, you can copy in any notepad, or you can write it down. So just store that thing. Here I will just open a new terminal, and I will save there. So yeah, open tab, and here I can save that thing. I will Control Shift V, and yes, here I saved that thing. So let's move one more time to the Firefox and look for some more information. So I don't think we will get from here. So yeah, here this is some written, and here one photo we saw. So let's minimize this thing. Yeah, here we can do one thing, like when we got some website, So our main thing is first we should look for the page source, and there we got one thing, and now we can directory busting to find some hidden directory. So I will go for GoBuster, and here we can type as GoBuster dir. Then yes, we can type -u for the, and here http colon / and here we can write our target IP. Yeah, so yes, now we will set the word list, that is -w, and yes, we know that word list is stored in user, then share. Yeah, we'll write yes, share, and word list, yes, then we will do dirb, and yes, now command.txt. This is our word list, so we will put enter. Yeah, it's working well. And guys, here we got some hidden directories. We got some status 403, status 301, and some status 200, like index.html, report.txt. So yes, we got some directories. So we can check one by one, and let's see what we are getting in some these directories. So we can first see this asserts. So first we'll select this, and let's copy it down. Yeah, this is copied. Let's move to our Firefox, and yes, here we can paste that thing. So Control V, and here we will put enter. Yeah, here we got some web page, and here are some parent directory, bootstraps, that is .css, .js, gif, js, and I don't think this will be helpful. And here we got the Apache 2.4.1 server. So let's see another directory. So minimize down, and let's see this index.html. We know that the content of index.html, but let's see. So we copy it down, and we will open the Firefox again. So here just select and remove this portion, and here we can give a Control V. Yes, now enter. Yeah, this is the web page, that is our dashboard of index.html. So now this is our last chance. Let's see what we get from this. Yes, copy it down, and Firefox, and let's see here. Yeah, I will remove this and Control V. So here we got some exciting thing, that is, I think this might be some password like thing, because one time there we got the username, so this might be the password. Let's copy it down. Yeah, I selected it. What it's happening? Wait a sec. Yeah, it's selected. So let's right click, and yeah, copied it. So we'll minimize it down, and here we can paste that thing. So here we can do Control Shift V. So guys, this is not a matter, because we are not going to run this terminal. We just kept the information here. So let's minimize it down, and let's see what other thing. So yeah, we can close this thing, and let's undo this page, and yeah, this is our index.html. So I don't think we will get here something, so minimize it down and look for some other info. Yes, we will open the terminal, and here we had the username and password, but where we should use that thing. So let's look for some login page, or like some login dashboard. So Yeah, we checked all this thing and this all our status 403, though it will not work. So what can we do? As we know, like in every web page, like if we are looking for some login page, so we can type login.php, or we can simply use login. Like .php means maximum time we are using the php to create a login page. So here let's move on to the computer and let's look for the login. So yes, now we are on this page. So here we will, let's see for the login. So I will type login and give enter. No, it's not found. So let's try login.php. Yeah, sorry. Yes, we can move back. Yeah, now it's yeah. Now we can remove this thing. Yeah, now here we can type login.php and give a enter. I think, yeah, this will take some time. Yeah, here we got the login page, so we can use this thing. Now here we got the login page. Here we can put the username and here we can put the password. So let's copy that thing we have saved previously. So we will open the terminal and here we will move to this and we will copy this rick. Let's right click this and here we will copy it down. Yeah, it's having some network issue, I think. So yes, I copied it and move to here. Yeah, here I will paste that thing and let's minimize this thing and copy the password. And here let's select, sorry, let's select it and right click and copy. So let's move to Firefox and here we will paste that thing and login. So yes, here we successfully logged in and here we got a command panel and a input field, so we can write here the commands. So let's try this with different commands. Let's see what we are getting from this. So let's type ls and execute. Yes, here we got something like here super secret pickle ingredient.txt, one txt file we got here, and some other infos, assets clue.txt, denied php, html, php, robots txt. Yeah, yes, here we got much things. So let's this super secret pickle, we can use a cat command and we can copy it down. Yeah, we will copy it down and here we will paste that thing and paste. So execute. No, this is command disabled to make it hard for future pickle rick. So I think here we can't use the command cat. So let's try for something new. Like we have some alternative of cat command, so you can check in the browser. Now here I will use the less command. Let's type less and fast. Yeah, we got this thing. So we can type less and yes, you will paste that thing and execute. Yeah, here we got our first ingredient, so we'll copy it down. Let's select and here we will paste and submit. So yeah, this is the correct answer here. Yeah, so now we got our first flag or first ingredient. let's look for the second ingredient and the last and final. Like in trihecme, usually we get the last flag in the root axis. So now here we will look for the second, and our final one we know that we will found that thing in the root, so we will work for that. So here let's try this clue.txt. So we will open this less, and here we will copy it down clue.txt, and we will search for this. Let's see what we are getting. Yeah, I think we haven't copied down, so let's type manually. So clue.txt and execute. So here we got a look around the file system for other ingredient, like it's giving a hint to use to move into the all the file system. So we'll type cd, and here now we moved back to the folder, and so now we can move to the home, or we can move to the, yes, we can type ls and home, and we can execute this. Yes, here we got two users like Rick and Ubuntu. Like when we did the nmap scan, we saw there this is a Ubuntu machine. So let's check for the Rick. So we will do ls, sorry, we will move into this Rick. So cd / Rick and execute. No, it doesn't work. Oh sorry, we have to give the full path. So we will type cd / home / Rick, and we will give a enter. So let's see what we are getting. Yeah, here we got the second ingredient. So we will use less, and let's see second ingredient. We can give the full path. So here we will do less, less, and here we can type home, then Rick, Rick, and yes, here we can do the second ingredient. So yeah, we have a space between the second ingredient, so we will put this thing in the double quotation mark. So we will put that thing, and let's see. And yes, now we will put a double quotation here. So now we will execute. So here we got one jerry tier. Yes guys, this is our second ingredient. So let's copy it down, and we can paste it in the second question. So let's scroll, and here we will paste that thing and submit. So let's wait. Yeah, this is also the correct answer. So now we will search for the final ingredient, and for that we have to move into the root user. So for root we can type sudo. So we can use sudo to move into the root. So let's type that thing. So guys, for the root access we will type sudo here. So sudo, and we will do ls and wait, we can use here ls and /root, and we can execute this. Yeah, sudo ls, yes, here we got the third.txt and a snap. So let's move this, open this third.txt, and we will get something, I think. For the third we can type sudo, and sorry, sudo and space. Here we can type less, and that /root and third.txt. So yes, here we got the third ingredient, that is flip juice. So we will copy it down. Yeah, we have selected it, and we will paste here. Control V and submit. Yeah, this is also our correct answer. And now we solved our room and you did it pickle rig complete. So we will do here continue. And guys, we successfully solved this room.